Okay, I'm bored in the house and I'm in the house bored. Bored in the house and I'm in the house bored. Bored in the motherfucker in the house bored and I'm bored in the motherfucker in the house bored. Bored in the house, bored in the house bored. Bored in the house, bored in the house bored. I'm bored in the motherfucker in the house bored.
Excuse me, I look tired. I've been sleeping all day because quarantine. But I'm hungry. Welcome back, guys, to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna be cooking fried whiting. For fried whiting, you only need a few ingredients, not too many. You need some oil. You want to preheat it to about halfway, you know. You need, of course, your whiting. It's like that. I use vegetable oil. You want to get 2 raw eggs and the batter. So today I'm using Louisiana fish fry. Get the thumbnail. Yeah, that was nice. Alright, so come on, guys. But also make sure you wash your hands. I washed my hands, but yeah, I don't feel like redrawing them to prove.
Boy, if you don't...
I don't want to waste too much. You know what I'm saying? So, take whatever you mix up, you know. Eggs with. And mix it. I'm using the knife. Little G-H-E-T-T-O. How about I used to like this girl? Excuse me, I look tired. I've been sleeping all day because quarantine. But I'm hungry.
Excuse me, I look tired. I've been sleeping all day because quarantine. I'm hungry. We don't. Put the eggs to the side. Look at them right now. Take your fish. Dip it in the egg. Make sure it touch the egg front and back. Next, put it right on, plop it right on over to the batter.
This fish is fairly long, so you might want to get a bigger pan, I guess, because yeah, you want your fish to cook all the way. And I feel like my fish is probably gonna suffer a little bit.
To cut your fish in half, but who has the time for all of that? Alright guys, you want it to cook for about, I want to say 7 to 10 minutes on each side. Your temperature, you want to have your grease on high.
If you like, pour some from the bottom, sprinkle on top, do what you gotta do. Sometimes you want to shake it in the bag, however you like it. For some reason, I just like wasting dishes. I guess that's what the fuck I like to do. I guess that's what I like to do. Waste dishes.
the dishwasher.
You called for me? Yes, I called for you, Mr. Tong. Are you ready to help me out? Help me flip some fish? Of course. Now, whenever you're ready, put me to work. You hear me? Absolutely, Mr. Tongs. It's always nice seeing you around. That means my food is about to be halfway ready to eat. Not a problem. All right, me and Mr. Tongs are going to work together and flip our fish because our fish look like it's nice and cooked up on that side. Also, you know your fish is ready to be flipped when it looks nice and crunchy on the top as if it's been cooked. When you flip, you want to take your time. And if your fish break, oh well. No one cares. At least I don't. Do you care, Mr. Toms? Absolutely not. So, yep. I broke the first one. Ready, set, go. And you cannot be afraid. Thank you, Mr. Tongs. Not a problem. I'm going to go ahead and clean myself up. Thank you. All right, next, guys, when you cook fried food, you want to make sure you have something for your food to drain on because you do not want your food to be oily. Even though it's going to be oily because it's fried, you don't want it to feel like you have to spit out oil as you eat. That's gross. That's gross. So make sure you always prepare. Put a napkin that soaks your oil. Your napkin soaks your oil. I'm going to put more napkins because I want to take a chance.
Looking good, guys. We're almost there. And you will have your nice, crispy Louisiana style fried fish. It's the Mr. Tongs around it.
Look at that. Juicy. Unfortunately, that piece broke, but if you've been watching, we've seen that my pan is too small. So we're ready for the next batch. 1, 2, 3, and don't do that at home. Do not drape your raw food over your cooked food. I don't know why I just did that, but that's a no-no. So we're gonna go to the other side and put our raw food in the frying pan. Not sure what piece I want to try, but I want to try some. How real niggas eat. Make sure that shit cool off while you eating. It's very good. Very good. I want you guys to share with me your recipes. And we can keep this going. Nice and crunchy. You see that? Nice piece of fried fish right there. Also, I'm the only one home, so I'm handling my food that way. Because this is mine. All 6 pieces. Thank you for tuning in. And we shall see each other again soon.